Welcome to our channel. If you're living with a chronic illness and need support, follow these step-by-step instructions to find support groups in your area. Step 1. Ask your doctor or healthcare provider for recommendations. Medical professionals often know about disease-specific support groups and can provide contact information. Step 2. Contact national organizations dedicated to your specific condition. Groups like the American Diabetes Association or Arthritis Foundation maintain directories of local support groups. Step 3. Search online databases like the American Self-Help Group Clearinghouse. This national resource helps connect people with support groups for hundreds of different health conditions. Step 4. Check with local hospitals and medical centers. Many healthcare facilities sponsor support groups for patients with chronic conditions treated at their institution. Step 5. Explore online support communities if in-person meetings aren't accessible. Websites and social media platforms host active groups where people share experiences and advice. Step 6. Visit community centers, libraries, and places of worship. These locations often host or have information about local health-related support groups. Step 7. Consider both disease-specific and general chronic illness support groups. While condition-specific groups offer targeted information, general groups provide broader perspectives on living with chronic illness. Step 8. Attend a few different groups before committing. Each group has its own personality and focus, so try several to find one where you feel comfortable and supported. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.